Nmap, a network discovery and security auditing tool. It scans networks to identify active devices, open ports, and services. Nmap is often used for vulnerability assessments and mapping network topologies. WireShark, a network protocol analyzer for capturing and analyzing data packets in real time. It helps network administrators troubleshoot problems by examining packet-level details. It is essential for investigating network security issues. Metasploit framework, a tool used for developing, testing, and executing exploits against targets. It enables users to find vulnerabilities, run payloads, and gain access to systems. Metasploit is widely used for penetration testing and security research. Hydra, a network logon cracker supporting many protocols such as SSH, FTP, and Telnet. It performs brute force attacks to crack passwords, useful for testing the strength of login credentials. Hydra is a key tool in penetration testing engagements. John the Ripper, a password cracking tool that uses various techniques like dictionary and brute force attacks. It's designed to test password strength and find weak passwords. It supports various hash types and operating systems. Burp Suite, a web vulnerability scanner and security testing platform. It helps find vulnerabilities in web applications by automating testing for common issues such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting (XSS). It also offers manual testing tools for advanced assessments. Aircrack-ng, a suite of tools for testing the security of wireless networks. It can crack WEP and WPScan passwords by capturing network traffic and running decryption attacks. It's widely used for auditing Wi-Fi networks and testing for vulnerabilities. Nikto, a web server scanner designed to identify potential issues like outdated software, dangerous files, and misconfigurations. It tests for a variety of vulnerabilities to help secure web applications. Nikto provides extensive reporting on security flaws. SQLmap, an automatic SQL injection tool that detects and exploits SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. It can access databases, extract data, and even gain control of the underlying server. SQLmap is a critical tool for testing database security. Maltego, a data mining tool for open-source intelligence that helps analyze relationships between people, organizations, domains, and more. It visualizes connections in a graph format, making it useful for both cyber investigations and forensic work. OpenVAS, a comprehensive vulnerability scanner that identifies security issues in networks, systems, and services. It performs deep scans to find vulnerabilities, configuration errors, and outdated software. It's commonly used for security assessments. NetCat, a networking tool for creating TCP/UDP connections, port scanning, and transferring data. It's known for its simplicity and versatility in network debugging and exploration, often referred to as the Swiss Army knife of networking tools. Social Engineering Toolkit, SET, a framework for automating social engineering attacks. It simulates phishing, credential harvesting, and other techniques to test the human element in security. SET helps identify and mitigate social engineering vulnerabilities. HashCat, a high-performance password cracking tool capable of recovering passwords from various hash algorithms. It supports multi-threading and GPU acceleration to speed up the cracking process. HashCat is a go-to tool for testing password security. BEEF, Browser Exploitation Framework, a framework designed to exploit vulnerabilities in web browsers. It allows attackers to control a compromised browser and target users with further attacks. BEF is used in both penetration testing and ethical hacking. Ettercap, a tool for man-in-the-middle (MITM) that intercepts, captures, and alters network traffic. It's useful for eavesdropping on communications, injecting malicious content, and testing for network vulnerabilities. Ettercap supports both wired and wireless networks. SkipFish, a web application vulnerability scanner that focuses on speed and low resource consumption. It generates a sitemap and audits the web applications for security vulnerabilities. SkipFish is efficient for automated security recon. Reaver, a tool for performing brute force attacks on the Wi-Fi protected setup WPS feature of routers. It helps recover WPA2 passphrases by exploiting vulnerabilities in WPS. Reaver is widely used for wireless network security testing. WPScan, a vulnerability scanner specifically designed for WordPress sites. It identifies weaknesses like outdated plugins, misconfigurations, and default passwords. WPScan helps website owners secure their WordPress installations. Snort, an intrusion detection and prevention system IDS/IPS that analyzes real-time network traffic. It detects potential attacks or suspicious activity based on predefined rules. Snort is a cornerstone tool for network security monitoring.